Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here today to teach you how to make an amazing cannabis infused whipped body butter with just 3 ingredients. But before I get to that, I just want to remind you to check out the comments below for links to more information about what I'm talking about, and also hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so back to the subject of DIY cannabis topicals. You're not going to believe how quick and easy it is to make this luxurious cannabis-infused body butter and how little it takes to make it. Just 3 simple ingredients: cannabis, coconut oil, and a little bit of cornstarch or tapioca flour. That's it. The body butter has a thick, creamy consistency that melts into a healing, moisturizing oil upon skin contact. I slather it on after every shower. I find that this body butter, even in this simple 3-ingredient form, helps with a lot of conditions. Personally, I've had great luck with minor aches and pains, and it even helps to take away the painful leg cramps I sometimes get. My friends and I have also had good luck using it on rashes, eczema, mild psoriasis, and even bug bites. Whenever we have itchy skin, it seems to quickly soothe that itch away. So only 3 ingredients to make cannabis body butter? What's the catch? No catch. In its basic form, that's all it takes to make cannabis body butter, which is not to say that the basic formula can't be improved upon, and you'll find a link below for a free tutorial download that will show you lots of easy ways to improve upon this original, most using ordinary kitchen ingredients. The tutorial also has dosing notes, a CBD version of body butter, and my favorite recipe variation, lavender green tea cannabis body butter. If there's any catch to this simple 3-ingredient formula, it's that the coconut oil used to make it can liquefy at hotter temperatures, something I improve upon in the free body butter tutorial. See the link below. However, if you store it in the fridge between uses, it's not an issue. The other thing is, this is an all-natural body butter with no chemicals and no preservatives, so you will want to make a small batch and use it within a month. Trust me, that will not be a problem. One more issue some people have is it has a light scent of weed and coconut oil, which to me is not unpleasant, but you might prefer some other fragrances. I cover how to add them in the free tutorial as well. Okay, ready? Here's how to make 3-ingredient marijuana body butter in 3 easy steps. For step 1, we infuse cannabis into coconut oil. I usually only make a small batch as you'll want to use this body butter within a month. My favorite ways to make small batch infusions are in the Ardent Lift Decarboxylator or using the mason jar infusion method. See the links below for easy instructions if you don't already know how to do this. For step 2, place the infused coconut oil in the fridge for an hour or so until it solidifies. Then take it out of the fridge and bring it to room temperature. I've already done that with this batch. For step 3, place the cannabis-infused coconut oil and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or tapioca flour in a large bowl and whip with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. You can use a portable hand mixer or a stand mixer like I'm doing. It really doesn't matter. That's it. Put your body butter in a jar and you're ready to start slathering it on. Don't forget, download my free tutorial on easy ways to improve upon this basic formula below, along with dosing notes, how to make CBD body butter, how to make this more temperature stable, and how to add fragrances and more. The link is below.